These are frozen. Oh my God. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning and I'm having breakfast. It's not the best concoction, but it's definitely not the worst. Like, I feel like I've done weirder breakfasts, but we have no food in the house. And by no food, I mean this smoothie was made out of very freezer burned, very old, frozen fruits, bananas, strawberries, kiwis, I want to say berries, some almond butter, and some coconut milk, because that's all we had. I'm having these like morning bites that I got not too long ago, some hash browns and a piece of toast with hummus, because yeah, that's pretty much all we have in the house. Again, not the worst concoction, not the best, but here we are. It's Sunday morning, like I said, and it's about 10:30. I slept in a lot today, and then I just took my time in the morning, had my coffee, made a latte. We were also out of oat milk, so my latte was very lacking in milk. Yesterday, the cafe that I went to had a blue matcha latte. I need to figure out how to make that, because that was actually really, really good. But anyways, like I said, it's 10:30 and I teach at 12 until, I want to say 12:45. It's just a short class online. And then we're going to go into a town, me and my friends, to go see a Santa Claus parade. I was in the Santa Claus parade last night. Hence the reason I'm a little crusty this morning. I got home late and then watched a movie. I'm home alone this weekend, so I had to kind of rush home so I could let Elsa out and hang out with her so she's not left alone too long. And yeah, Luna's fine. She's always fine. And the evening was nice and relaxing. Just watched a movie. I forget what it was called. I think it was called Don't Speak. It was really scary. Really, really scary. That's all I'll say. But anyways, I'm gonna have breakfast and then maybe do some skincare or Pilates. I want to take it easy today. I was gonna do like a cycling class to go on a run because it's Sunday, but I'm so tired after the parade. I did so many steps and my feet hurt so bad. I might just do Pilates. So Youth to the People sent me some skincare recently. I just washed my face already with their green tea, spinach, and vitamins. What's it called? Skin cleanser. But I'm gonna open up and use the Air Whip Moisture Cream and the Glow Serum. I did a little unboxing on, I guess, Instagram stories, and I also did an unboxing a little bit in the last vlog, but I just used like the vertical videos, but I wanted to show you guys everything they sent. They sent, like I said, the green tea, spinach, and vitamins superfood cleanser. They also sent this Smooth and Glow Serum with kale and peptide, dandelion root, niacinamide, postbiotic, and the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream, which is such a good moisture cream. So I'm gonna use the serum first. I just did my eyebrows and I tried to do like the straight eyebrows. I kind of regret it, I'm not gonna lie. I usually use like the razor on my eyebrows and that's what I did today, but I'm just gonna moisturize after the serum and then get ready to teach my online ballet class. I have to teach it in like 20 minutes, so I'm in a bit of a rush, not a huge rush, but I should be getting ready, brushing my teeth and such. This also has kale and spinach and hyaluronic acid. I love that. My hands are all smooth from the serum now. On Sundays, I always try to take a break for my skin. Sometimes I still wear mascara on Sundays like I am going to today, but I always try to take a break for my skin just to breathe from any kind of makeup. So I just put like skincare products, let it sit for the whole day. And then when I come back home after either running errands or apparently going to Christmas Santa Claus parades, then I'll wash my face when I get home. But I kind of like the look of the eyebrows, like more straight, but I don't know, I'm not used to it yet. So maybe once I tend them a bit more, I'll like it better. I definitely miss the corners now because usually my eyebrows go to here and they're a little bit more shaped instead of straight, but I kind of just bit the bullet and shaved off like this corner just to see what it looked like, because you know what, they'll grow back soon because my eyebrow hair grows back so soon. I have to shave them like every other week, I swear. Crazy right now. But they always look better when I have like mascara on. I feel like it takes away from the bushiness. But I started watching Emily in Paris. It's actually such a cute show. It's gonna be my new, oh god, guilty pleasure for sure. I need to go closer to the mirror to make sure these aren't turning out horrendously. Hang on. Can't say I'm a fan of the straight eyebrows. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just not used to it on my face. I don't know if it like even lifts my face. I feel like it just makes me look bald right here. But maybe it will help. Definitely lifts my eyebrows. But maybe it'll help when I put on like mascara and eyeliner. I'll have more space for that then, because I don't think my eyes are hooded, but they're definitely like sinky right here. I don't know. So maybe that will help if I ever want to apply eyeliner again, which I don't really apply eyeliner anymore. I just kind of like to do more of a natural look versus, you know, I used to do like a bold wing every single day, and I could not leave the house without some kind of eyeliner. Like if you had asked me in my early 20s or even teenager years what makeup product I would never leave the house without, I would say eyeliner. That's what I would say. Maybe I'll do a fun eyeliner like today because nah, I don't have a liquid liner. That's the problem. And the reason I stopped wearing liner is because I simply just didn't want to keep buying it every few months. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to try not wearing liner. And I tried it and I liked it a lot more, but maybe I'll go back to it because I started to get pretty good on it in 2022, but I look back at past videos of me in like 2021. I'm like, I was thick liner girl, but I'm sure we'll always look back at our past and kind of tee-hee giggle about the makeup trends we used to do. But I was just really bad at applying eyeliner because I did it really thick and I didn't really do it to maximize my face and like accentuate my eye shape. I just kind of did it like how I saw on YouTube. And then when I started doing YouTube and I started seeing videos back and TikTok and stuff, I was like, whoa, that eyeliner needs to calm the F down. So I started calming it down to the point where I just don't wear it anymore. Anyways, I have to teach in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna finish this mascara and then get changed. And then I'm also gonna get changed in like warm clothes because right after I teach for 45 minutes, I'm going to go straight to the Santa Claus parade, which is so much fun. And it's snowing. Well, it's not snowing here yet, but it's snowing like in the city, which means it's gonna be here soon. So yeah, anyways. I should put on some kind of lip oil. I literally just had one in my pocket that whole time. That's the finished look, and then I'm gonna go get changed and then catch you guys later. All right, I'm about to head out to the Santa Claus parade. I need to find my hat and I'm gonna wear my jacket. It's nice and sunny out as well. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day outside. So I'm really happy about that. It'll be really nice to watch the parade. I'm meeting my friends. They're making some hot chocolates and then we'll drive out and watch. I'm trying to decide if I want to wear my Santa Claus hat or earmuffs because earmuffs are also really cute. I might go with the earmuffs. Okay, I'm going with the earmuffs just because I'm more of an earmuff girl, but what the heck? Okay, I made a little list, so I'm gonna go to Winners next to try to see if I can get some presents. I need to get cat litter and Lysol toilet stuff and like food for the house, but I'm pretty much done this one, which is exciting, and done at Home Hardware. I also got an air fryer. Don't know if it's gonna be a present to Steve or if we'll just use it as a present for ourselves. We will see what they have in Winners. Good morning, friends. I feel like I was just here the last time I vlogged, which is probably the case because I barely vlogged yesterday. All I did yesterday was start watching Emily in Paris, which was so much fun. And Steve got into it too when he got home, so we watched that till late. And I went Christmas shopping. It started snowing a little bit, which was exciting. And today I have 2 meetings at 10. Double booked myself, which is totally my bad. So I'm gonna see if one of them can move because I know for a fact the other one, it's the last day of interviews, so I can't move it. And it's for something exciting. So anyways, I have that at 10 and then I work until noon and then 1 to 1:30 and then I have to leave for work pretty much right after because I have to pick up a couple of things and get into work early today. So today's gonna be another day of less vlogging, but maybe I'll just like take you around with me because I don't know, it feels like we're friends. Also, Vlogmas is coming up, so I'm kind of practicing like constantly vlogging because I do want to do it again. It was hard because last year I did have to do some things in advance, like do some sit down talking videos because some weekends I'm literally booked and I'm away all weekend. But I'm thinking in that case, maybe instead I just do like Vlogmas day 12 to 13, you know what I mean? All right, just before I head into work, I'm going to do a bit of a point class. So I'll throw my hair into a ponytail, put on my point shoes, and I think I'm just gonna change into like a skirt because I'm just doing point. So I'm not gonna wear really like leotard and stuff and get ready for an actual ballet class because I just want to focus on the footwork. I might actually take you downstairs with me. I'll use the ballet bar. So let's get changed. So my skirt is from Popflex, and this sweater is my mom's. It's from a while ago. I'm also wearing a sports bra from Popflex, but it's too cold right now. It's really cold. So let's throw on the pointe shoes and go downstairs and do a pointe bar. I do actually have to leave for work in about 30 minutes as well, and I wanted to shower before I left, so I'm going to do like a really quick pointe bar so that I'm not late. Yeah, quick as in like 20 minutes and then a quick 10-minute shower and then hit the road, Jack, as Steven would say. He likes to say that a lot.